Do you want to learn how to clone any website using AI in just few minutes? So whether it's website like Airbnb or Amazon or anything you like, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step using AI tools. No coding experience needed. You can also clone a part of functionality or mix and match multiple functionalities from different websites and make something really powerful. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Abdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience in building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I'm researching on AI and sharing my learning on this channel. So let's get started. So we are going to use lovable.dev to clone app. So it's a popular vibe coding platform which you can use to build any application by yourself. No coding required. So we are going to clone Airbnb today. Now, if you have been watching this channel, you know first step which we have to do is to create a good prompt. So let's go to ChatGPT and create a prompt. So can you create a prompt? So what we are doing is we are asking ChatGPT to create a prompt which we can use to clone this website Airbnb using lovable.dev. Okay, and also we want to give it a new name, retreat rover. So let's see. Okay, so here's a detailed prompt which ChatGPT has created for us. So it is okay. Objective, MVP, guest flow, host flow, messaging, admin, core. Wow, pages and comp. Okay, so we can see, right, it's a very detailed prompt which ChatGPT has created, and this will help us in creating a good website in one go and reduce a lot of back and forth. Okay, so we are going to put this prompt in lovable. So we'll just remove this first line. Okay, so we just updated the first line and we are saying that we want to create a clone of Airbnb, and we want to use the prompt which ChatGPT has created for us. Now let's see. It'll take few minutes and then you'll have a final output. So as you can see here, so what Lovable has done is, based on a prompt, it has created a website for us which is inspired by Airbnb. So this one doesn't look exactly like Airbnb, but it's inspired and have all the functionalities. So we wanted to have this name Retreat Rover. It has also provided its own branding. So if you're creating something of your own, this is what actually you will do. So now let's check it out. Okay, so this is how this website looks. Great. And you can use this, like if you are, say, a Airbnb host and or vacation rental host and want to create your own direct booking website, then you can take inspiration from Airbnb and use this kind of website. And to be honest, it looks pretty good, and I may actually use it. Now you may say, hey, I want to create exactly like Airbnb. I just want to clone it. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we are saying here is that we want to clone Airbnb.com, and we want to keep the same styling and layout and some of the images, because you don't have Airbnb data, so it may not have everything. But now let's check it out. Again, let's give it a few minutes. So here it is. So Lovable has cloned Airbnb for us, and looks like it has given it a new name. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this looks pretty much like Airbnb, but they're calling it StayBnB, which is cool. Okay, different functionalities, amazing images. So that's awesome. So same way you can clone any website you want, provide it your own branding, name, and you can test its features one by one, and you can make modifications also. So I hope you're able to learn something out of this video. If you have any questions, then let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the future episodes. Thank you.